Hey guys, and welcome to a new video on this OpenCV tutorial. In this video here, we're going to build OpenCV with NVIDIA Cuda support, so we can actually use the GPU together with OpenCV. We're just going to skip the intro in this video here. We're just going to see how fast we can actually build OpenCV with GPU support. Again, subscribe to the channel, become a member for help with your project and so on, but it's just jump straight into installing and building OpenCV with Cuda support. So first of all here, we need some different kind of tools. So we need like Cuda. You can just directly go into NVIDIA's website, search for Cuda toolkit, and then you can basically just go in here and download it for your computer. The next thing here that we need is Cmake. So we're actually going to use Cmake to build our source files together with Cuda support. Then you basically just go in here and choose the latest platform here, download Cmake. Then we're also going to install Anaconda. I'm going to use Anaconda for my Python. So we're basically just going to use the Python inside of Anaconda. You make sure to add it to your environmental variables in the path. And then we can actually just use it later on. We can also like link to our binaries for C++ and so on. But in this video, we're going to mainly focus on Python. And the next two things here is actually like downloading from the GitHub repository of OpenCV, the version of OpenCV that you want to build with your Cuda support. So we both need to download like the original repository here, OpenCV. You need to go in here, choose the version that you want. So you can go inside the tags and choose whatever version here that you want to compile with OpenCV or like GPU support. And then the last thing here that we need is OpenCV contrib. So basically here, when you want to download it, you need to have the same versions of OpenCV. Then you can basically just go over here to the right, hit code, and then you can basically just go in here and download it as a zip folder, or you can just clone it in your terminal if you prefer to do that. But it is basically all we need here. Then we just need to go into Cmake and configure our OpenCV. So here we're going to go into Cmake. Again, you need to create a new folder. So I'll just go inside my folder here into my user directory. So I'm just going to inside users. And then we'll go inside my own user directory and we'll scroll down to the folder that I have created for OpenCV with GPU. So here we have OpenCV GPU, we have our OpenCV here, so we have unzipped these files. So we both have OpenCV 4.5.2, and then we also have the contrib module down here at the bottom. Then we just have a build folder here, which should be empty. So I'm just going to delete those so we can actually like build it totally from scratch. So here we can see that I just delete all these files. So now we've deleted them. Now we have everything set up. We can just go in here and browse our source. I'm just going to delete my cache first of all. Then we need to go in and browse our source. We need to find the OpenCV folder here. So not the contrib, but the OpenCV folder for our code. And then we need to go in here where to build the binaries. So we actually want to build the binaries in our empty build folder. We're just going to choose this one here and select the folder. So now we're going to hit configure here. And then first of all, we also need to download Visual Studio 2019. This doesn't work with the newest version of Visual Studio. So make sure that you have Visual Studio 2019. You can basically just go into the website, Visual Studio 2019. Just go into Microsoft website here and download it. So here you can basically just take the free download of the community version. Again, don't take the 2022 here. You can act like go down here at the bottom and find some earlier versions. So here we can see we have older downloads. You can basically just go in here, take 2019 and hit download. So here, let's go back again to our Cmake setup. So here we're just going to hit finish. We can also you have optional platforms here. So I have XX64. So I'm going to use that. So that is the architecture of your CPU. So here we're just going to hit finish and we will start configuring our binaries for the first time. And then we need to set some flags here of what we actually want to use with our Cuda. So now we're configured the files here for the first time. Then we need to set some different kind of flags. So first of all, we need to have with Cuda. So we're just going to type in with here. And then we go inside the with, and then we scroll down to Cuda. So we have to check this off because we want to build our binaries with Cuda support. Then we also have something called fast math that we need to enable so we can actually do faster calculations on our GPU. And then we have something called OpenCV world. So we're going to use that as well. I'm just going to find it. So maybe we should type in world, build OpenCV world. We also need to do that. So we have a world file linked as well to our binaries. And then we have something called extra. And then we need to specify the path to our contrib module. So here we have our contrib, then we go inside the modules, and then we just select this folder. And now we have our extra modules path. So that's basically like all we need to do first of all here. And then we can hit configure one more time before we're going to do the last configurations. And then we can generate our binaries that we can then build so we can have OpenCV with GPU support. So now we're configure this folder here once more. So now we actually need to make sure that we're actually like doing this for Python 3. So up here you can see that I have my Python 3. We can see like the path to the interpreter, the libraries, also NumPy and the installation path. If you can't see this Python 3 here, you're not able to actually like do it for Python, and you need to make sure that you're actually you actually have the correct path to your Python installation. So if you go inside Python 3 here, you need to make sure that all of these Anaconda Python executable include, and also the library files, they are exactly like I have here. If you don't have this one here, it can actually be because of your NumPy version. So then you will go in and open an Anaconda prompt, and then you basically just type in pip install. And then you just type NumPy -- and then you have upgrade, and then you can basically just upgrade your NumPy version to the latest, and then you should actually just hit configure again, and then you should actually get the Python 3 here where you can see your interpreter, the libraries, NumPy, and so on, and then you will actually have OpenCV built for Python with GPU support. So now we need to configure some more things here. So first of all, we have to enable the fast math. So we need to search for fast math again. So now we can see we have Cuda _ fast math. We need to check that off as well. And then we have something called arc bin. So we need to choose the architecture that we want to use. I have 2 GPUs, so I'm going to use 6.1, and then I'm also going to use 8.6. Basically, you can just go into Wikipedia and find your version. If you have like a GPU here with the GTX or RTX, you can go in here and find the version. So here we see we have the different kind of versions over here to the right, and then basically you just find your own GPU and you just specify that inside here in the arc bin. So I'm using 6.1 and 8.6. So now I'm basically just going to take the last thing, which is the configuration. So here we can search for conf, and here we want to delete the debug. So we're only building this for release mode, and then we have everything we can configure for the last time before we hit generate and actually like build our binaries with OpenCV with Cuda support. So now we're just going to hit configure. So now we're configured the files here for the last time. Again, we can still see our Python. We can even scroll up here. We can see the NVIDIA Cuda. So we have the different kind of like versions. We also have the toolkit Cuda version that we just downloaded. So we can both see the NVIDIA Cuda, and we should also be able to see our Python 3 interpreter. So now we can basically just hit generate here before we're going to build it with Cmake, and then we can just directly go in and use it with Python. So now our generation is done. We can open up an Anaconda prompt, and then we're basically just going to copy paste the command here that I'm going to throw in the description. So we're just going to copy paste this one here, and then we need to specify the path to our build folder. So I have it inside my C directory, and then I have it inside users, and then I have it inside my own directory here. So this is my directory, and then we had it inside OpenCV GPU. And then we had this build folder here, and then we need to have the target, which we are going to install, and then we're going to have our config here with release mode, and then we can basically just hit enter here, and it will build our binaries with GPU support. So here we can see it just runs through a lot of different kind of files. So now it's actually like building the binaries with GPU support for OpenCV. This should actually take like 1.5 hours, maybe like 2 hours, depending on your computer. But again, you will get a lot of errors or like warnings while it's actually like installing this OpenCV with GPU support, but you should just like skip those as long as it just succeeds in the end. You should not worry about all the errors and the warnings that you will get while it's installing OpenCV. So now we're done installing OpenCV with GPU support. So we can see that installation here is done. You should actually get some errors while it's installing and building the binaries here from the source files. But now you should, if you see this output here, you should be able to open up OpenCV with GPU support. So now we're just going to open up a new Anaconda prompt to verify that this installation here actually works with OpenCV. So first of all, we're going to type in Python, and then we're just going to import CV2, which is OpenCV. And then here we can actually import like from CV2. So from CV2, we can import Cuda. And then if we're actually able to import Cuda, we have actually verified that this installation here works. So now I'm going to hit enter. And now we can see that it just goes to the next line. So we're actually able to import Cuda. Then we can actually go inside Cuda. So we can use cv2.cuda or like just from Cuda because we imported Cuda. So we can just cuda.print Cuda device info, and then we can just take the served element. It depends on like what index your GPU is on, and then we just hit enter, and it should print the information here about the GPU that you have on a computer, and just verify that this actually works. So here we can see I have an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060 here. Then we can see some other different kind of like specs with the GPU clock speed, amount of memory, so like how much memory do we have on our GPU and so on. So you'll get all the information here. But now when you get this output and you're able to actually like import Cuda from CV2, then we can actually like verify that this installation worked, and you can now use OpenCV in Python with GPU support. You can actually like link to these libraries here, or like these modules as well in C++ if you want to use that instead of Python. So thank you guys for watching this video here, and again, remember to hit the subscribe button and bell notification under the video. So in this video here, I just tried to do like this installation here of OpenCV with GPU support as fast as possible. So I'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye for now.